Hashtag new machine tutorial ZZ2E unpacking instruction. Open the box. Check whether the outer packaging of the machine is complete and free of bumps. Unlatch the wooden box. Lift the top. Remove the securing button. Remove fixed pearl wall. Lift the machine and place it on a flat table. Remove the protective film from the machine. Ensure that the machine is complete in appearance and complete in accessories. Open the top cover of the machine. Remove the platform securing tape to ensure that the platform is in and out properly. Using a screwdriver, remove the wagon mounting bracket. Make sure the wagon is moving right and left. Ensure that 40 centimeters behind the platform is clear of obstacles. Power on. Connect the power cable and turn on the main switch. Turn on the front scram switch. Tap the keypad function to ensure normal operation. Network cable to computer. Set IP. Open network connection. Ethernet. Right. Click Properties. Protocol version 4. Enter the value based on the video. Install software. Open the USB flash drive. Find the installation package and open it. Click Next to install. Installing the driver environment. Add ink. Inking position behind the machine. Shake the ink evenly in turn and pour it into an ink bottle that matches its color. System inking. Click on the software Load Ink. Click Stop after 30 seconds of inking. Then wait 5 seconds. Click Load Ink 5 seconds to stop. Press the key out to check whether the ink pad has ink. Tap Clean until the cleaning is complete. Test. Nozzle detection. Lay a clean sheet of white paper flat and secure. Adjust the height of the nozzle and the object by 2 millimeters. Then return. Click the front button nozzle. White paper will print detection lines. Missing 10 lines is a normal phenomenon. Print white frame. Adjust the platform height by 2 millimeters. Then return. The computer imports the wireframes. It needs to be rotated so that the top angle aligns with the edge of the platform. White ink. Glossy oil select No. Click Print. Print block. Lay a clean sheet of white paper flat and secure. Adjust the height of the nozzle and the object by 2 millimeters. Then return. The computer imported the color block. Set the size to 100 millimeters. White ink select All. Light oil select No. Click Print. White ink select All. Light oil select All. Click Print. Machine starts printing. After printing is complete, check whether the color block diagram is printed normally.